Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show how you can make a beautiful Christmas tree at home under Rs 200. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I make videos related to DIYs and home decor. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, take any full-size chart paper. Length of my chart paper is 22 inches and I want my Christmas tree to be 26 inches. So I am joining 4-inch another chart paper. Then I am placing my measuring tape at one corner of the chart paper and marking 26 inches. Now I'll rotate the measuring tape and measure 26 inches all the way. Now here I am joining all the marked points. Now cut it using a pair of scissors. And now I am folding the chart paper to make a cone. Once our cone is prepared, I have taken 6 tinsels to make a Christmas tree. Tinsel is a garland used to make Christmas tree and I got this for 10 rupees each. Now I'll take one tinsel and at its starting point I'll join a tape. And with the help of this piece of tape, I'm going to join it over the chart. Now I'll keep rotating the tinsel to cover the cone. Once the entire cone is covered, now I'm going to decorate it. For that, first I have taken red string light. First, I'm pasting a piece of clear tape at its starting and I'm going to stick it on the top of the Christmas tree, and then I'll keep rotating it till the end. And look how beautiful it looks after the string lights. And now I've taken some Christmas balls to decorate our tree. First way to place the Christmas ball is just hang them on the lights. And the second way is to pass the thread behind the wire and then tie a knot. And here I am placing a star at the top of my Christmas tree. Next, here I am placing a snowman near my Christmas tree. This is a DIY snowman which I made in my previous video. I'll leave its link in the description box. Next, I am placing my DIY candle holder near the tree. I'll leave the link of this candle holder in the description as well. Now I'm placing some thermocol beads near the tree to give it a more colorful look, and here our Christmas tree is ready. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you enjoyed it, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching.